Hey friends, if you wish to customize and change Google Chrome and color and theme, then please watch this video. Now it's very easy. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to appearance, and then I will reset the theme to default. Now as for the color, we only have three options. One is the light color, one is the dark color, and the third one is to copy the device's color. As for the theme, click on this pointing arrow here, and then you can select any of these themes here. I can select this theme. Now see the magic. First of all, I'll add it to Chrome, and then I will simply search for Google here and see what happens. The everything is very different. If I open a new tab, it will show this autumn road. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.